What's going on, guys? So we're on a website called Bittrex and we're looking at the market. So if you go to the home screen here, as I get rid of that extra piece of the market. So this is Bittrex. So this is where it all began, right? This is where my trading came into play. This is where I made mistakes. This is where I bought, you know, this is where I got burnt at. This is where I was chasing on the hype. This was just everything. This was where I was just confused, just like, what am I looking at? What's all these numbers? What's all these decimal points with eight, you know, eight spots with the Bitcoin? What is this stuff? What it looks like? So definitely it looks different now. Bitcoin got a new layout. If you go to explore markets, definitely you can sign up for it, and then I actually have an account that I can log into, but I think I have my security set up. So, and I'm using my Ubuntu software, so it's not gonna recognize it right now. So I just don't want to. I just don't have time to go through the security stuff right now. So next video, I definitely would show you guys my account. I think I have some crypto in there, hopefully, right? So so it's not going to be much, but look, this pretty much is going on. So this is pretty much the highlights the last 24 hour in the price. So it looks like Enjin token is definitely rose about, wow, Enjin token biggest gain 130.9%. Let's take a look at that currency. So let's see here, see if my graph will show up. So yeah, Enjin coin increased 130.9%. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's not bad for Enjin coin. I don't have it, but hey, it's good. So we can actually take a look. The graph is not showing here. So last price was at, so this is price now 10 cents. The high was 11 cents. So 24-hour low was 4 cents. Wow. And it increased to 11 cents. So in the last 24 hours. So those are big gains for Enjin coin. I want to see why it increased that fast. So we could probably get a better look at this. Let me exit out of these tabs here. Let's go to add a symbol, Enjin coin, Bitcoin. So let's go with Binance with the trading view here. It's going to be down on my list. Click on that. So yeah, look, big candlestick with Enjin coin. As we zoom in here, that's beautiful. So this happened today, 25th. Today is yeah, Enjin coin. So definitely had a huge pump from 3 cents, as you guys see here, all the way up to as high as 11 cents. So those are massive gains if you got into Enjin coin. Definitely here before the breakout. There must have been some news or some type of article. So blockchain made simple. So wallet, January 29th. So 45 minutes ago, nominee best mobile wallet, Enjin coin, Edge wallets. All these other wallets are long-term beloved partners. ERC 115 support is coming to your favorite ad-free blockchain explorer and enable you to search, browse, and validate next generation Ethereum assets in real time. However, it would be to see your access lane in your wallet in real time. So it looks like they got some news coming out. Looks like they got another feature. So Enjin X provide users with fast, simple, intuitive way to explore Ethereum blockchain. So Enjin coin definitely is working. They're still active on their Twitter account. They're still working on making Enjin coin one of the top gaming currencies in the gaming world. So that might what be causing the price of Enjin coin to shoot up like that, which is, a good luck for Enjin coin. Definitely wish I would have gotten in that ride here. Got in at 2 cents. Wow, I really need to pay attention to this. Like I said, I've been looking at mainly at Bitcoin. I haven't really been looking at the altcoins here. What's Enjin coin's rank right now? So they're in the top 100. So rank 58, so that's not bad. So 131% though. Those gains though, 132 in USD. Though I love those gains. So that's where you can make a lot of money in crypto, right? And just to make my point across, so if I go to my calculator here, right? Let's say, you know, I'm getting my money back, my tax money back. So let's just say I use my tax money, for example. You guys going to see how much I'm going to get back here. Uh-oh, come on now. So let's just say, let's not say my tax money, because who knows who's watching and might be getting a phone call. But let's just say I have about, you know, $6,000, right? And I invested in Enjin token at 2 cents divided by 2.02 cents equals what? What's that? 300,000 Enjin tokens, right? Enjin coins that I would have received times, oops. So this is 300,000 times what? 11 cents. What's my gains on that? So that's $33,000. So $33,000 divided by my investment of what, $6,000? Oops. I get used to this calculator. So minus $6,000 initial investment. What's my profit? So I made a profit of $27,000. $27,000. Can you believe that? $27,000. If I was paying attention, was patient, could have bought the bottom of Enjin token or Enjin coin. I don't know why I keep calling it. Coin is the talk of the town right now. Ooh. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'm out, guys.